So we're finally getting to use the Mickwick fire starters we got from Johnny and Colleen from KillQuest. It started pouring down rain on top of the mountain, so we are starting from scratch. All the grass is wet. We got some dry wood. How many fire starters? And I got some good old-fashioned matches. So we're gonna put these things to the test. From what I understand, these are all natural. There's no chemicals. So I don't know if I should use one or two. I'm just gonna use both. Need all the help I can get. So got the traditional log cabin. And some dry tinder. Get that out of the way for now. Don't mind our generator. Emily's roughing it. Trying her.
We're primitive tonight.
Yeah, very primitive glamping. Alright. So let's see what these things got here. There we go. They're almost like candles.
Mm-hmm.
So lighting them was pretty easy. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Now, if you have any suggestions on how I'm doing this, please let me know in the comments. This is my first time using these. I've used the other fire starters that you get at the box stores or whatnot. Put 2 of those down in there. Hit them with the blowtorch. I'd say this is all you got. So far, so good. Those things are burnt fire. I probably could have got away with just using one.
Probably.
Good to know.
Starting to rain on us again.
Mickwick fire starters. Good stuff. Thanks, Johnny, Colleen.
Yes, thank you. We appreciate it.
For the tip, and this will be raging here soon.
We need dinner.
Yes, we do.